Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change a SharePoint site themes and colors. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in SharePoint, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the theme and colors of a SharePoint site can help personalize its appearance to align with your organization's branding or desired aesthetics, right? And basically, here's how you can change the theme and colors in SharePoint Online. Now, just go here on the cog icon settings, the gear icon, and click on Apply a Site Template. Just wait for it to load, and what will happen is you would be forwarded to this specific template. Now for Microsoft, you can have like a standard team, crisis, communication team, employee onboarding team, event planning, and a lot more. Now if you don't want that, just skip that and instead click on the change the look. All right, now when you switch over to the theme, you would have plenty of options for Microsoft Teal. That's going to be this one, blue, orange, red, purple, green, gray, periwinkle, black, and a lot more. Now, I'm going to choose something like a dark yellow. Click on save, that one. All right, just wait for it to load, so it'll take an effect. Again, go to the header. You have an option to the minimal, compact, the standard, extended. You see, there's a lot that you can also click on the image optional here. When you do that, you see you can change the site and remove the image if you wanted. You can also slide off the site title visibility and the site logo thumbnail as well. All right. You can click on this one. As you can see, I have already changed the site logo thumbnail, and on the site logo you can also change the images as well. This is how you basically change the site theme and colors. All right, I'm gonna click on the site logo. All right, and there you go. You can also check the logo alignment if you want it, and if you're happy with that, you can click on save. All right. Now on the navigation, you have an option for the horizontal and vertical. All right. Now once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on save, and that's how you change your SharePoint site themes and colors. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.